Okay, everyone. One time, yeah. Well, today we'll be reacting to King Leonidas versus Master Chief. Like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down after the video, whoever you think won. Until then, I'll be reacting to this too, so. Actually, that's an insult, so he's technically a general. Leader. Ooh, I hate to say that, but it's true. Ooh, that must have hurt. Psych. Ooh.
Greek, so watch us stick these lyrics up your ass.
Oh, that had a
Ain't no way that you could be me. You my initial step in the sea. While you and your companions were all camping in the canyon. Took a camping to your house and showed your queen my plasma cannon. They should have thrown your rhymes.
She liked that too?
Because it's sickly. You will not enjoy this, but it will be over.
What's that freaking
Better battle with my 6-year-old son. I leave our power when I'm rocking these guns, okay? You think with a freezer in outer space? I look you in the eye, you get too much of a bitch to show your face!
That's not true.
No shirts there,
Yes, it's okay.
your whole plan got messed up by a hunchback with Down syndrome. 300 asses need a chicken, get more tea bags and listen.
More tea bags and listen.
Watch for your fingers itch. Oh, whoa! Holster!
I say Leonidas won. Not Leonidas. I say personally, frickin' Master Chief won that. Leonidas came out frickin' good and strong at the beginning, but then got weaker as later progresses. So, comment what you guys think the winner should be. And then if you do, I'll try to get back to you. As always, like and subscribe.